Hello there, everyone. So, this reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. So, Libra, this is for your August 2026 love reading. But if you happen to see this between August to maybe around November and the message resonates, then this is for you. By the way, I do not read any reversals. I also do not take cards that pop out. So Libra, I'll be drawing 3 cards muna and then later on, we'll try to ask questions, no, to clarify ano ba yung mga gustong sabihin sa atin ng cards. So you got the Hermit. Sorry, that's 2 cards. The Temperance and actually ito din naman, Queen of Pentacles. Um, the Hermit signifies wisdom. Oh, wisdom. So this could be calling you to be wise. Depende kung nasa ang situation ka ngayon, Libra, ng love life mo, uh, especially if you are maybe in the dating scene, or if you are in that early stage of your relationship, Libra, this card is calling you to be wise. Let's clarify the Hermit. With the Hermit, you got the Hanged Man. Oh. Uh, so, ang Hermit kasi, it's, yun nga, it's an archetype, o it's the archetype of wisdom. Okay, so enlightened na siya. With the Hanged Man naman, he's still seeking enlightenment. Uh, nakahang siya because he's trying to find another perspective dun sa situation niya. Okay? So again, seeking enlightenment. And then the Hermit card is calling you to be wise. No? To use your, maybe your existing knowledge on love, on relationship. No? So, depende, Libra, kung ano man tong situation na to, na kinakailangan ng wisdom mo at ng medyo ibang perspective, no? Let's see. With the Hangman, you got the Ace of Cups. You could be maybe thinking about a new beginning with someone, but the Ace of Cups is a really good card. So I try to read this column pala as your past. And then, yung center naman is your your present energy. Then, the last column naman is your future energy. However, kung hindi nag-fit yung interpretation ng card sa current or past energy mo, just take it how it resonates, Libra. So, again, Ace of Cups. Pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng chance, no, to have a new beginning with someone, but you're thinking, no, about this new beginning. I don't know kung ano yung pinag-iisipan mo dito or yung kinakailangan ng wisdom mo, Libra. Is this new beginning too good to be true? Alright, you got the Judgment. Judgment is something fated, no? It's also a card of awakening. Oh. Now, Libra, I could sense no na you're really trying to think about the situation, no, ng in the way na magagamit mo yung wisdom mo, no. parang tinatry mong ma-outsmart yung situation. I don't know, that's still vague, no? Pero something is bound to happen. This new beginning, I feel like is bound to happen. It's fated with the judgment card. But it's also asking you, no, to assess the whole situation and use your wisdom. Now with the temperance, this is your present energy. Uh, it's asking you to have a balance and also to be patient, no? To be patient maybe with the situation that you're currently in right now. Let's clarify. The temperance, you got the Four of Pentacles. Now, Libra, I don't know kung ito ay yung tao ba na involved dun sa situation, or I don't know if this is you. Kasi the Four of Pentacles is someone that is stingy, no? Kasi parang sobra yung pagkahawak niya, no? Ang higpit ng pagkahawak niya dun sa pentacle. So, ang sinisignify nun, uh, well, that first, no? That could signify yung literally pera, kasi this is a pentacle cards signify money, no? As in pentacle, no? However, when it comes to a love reading, since this is for your love and relationship, no? Parang ang isang tao pwede siyang maging stingy, no? Uh, by withdrawing their energy, no? That could be one. Pwede rin yung, sabi ko nga kanina, pwedeng literally, hindi siya masyadong nagpro-provide financially sa relationship. But, with the temperance, it's asking you to be patient. I don't know if it's asking you to be patient with this person, no? So, let's try to clarify pa. You got the High Priestess. You can be very abundant, no? This is also the card of fertility. So, pwedeng medyo opposite yung energy ninyo ng taong to. I'm not saying na itong cards na to traditionally hindi naman sila opposites talaga. But kasi ang High Priestess, ano siya, very abundant siya, very lahat ng queens sa tarot ay nurturing, no? Meron silang nurturing energy. So, they are providing talaga dun sa relationship. Now, I'm not saying na financially nagpo-provide sila, but it could happen, no? However, ang High Priestess, when it comes to siguro yung emotional aspect ng relationship, mas malaki yung natutulong niya or napo-provide niya, no? Emotional support, etc. Again, she could also provide yung financial needs sa relationship kasi very abundant ka siya. Now, kung yung other person, no, that's what I could sense kasi from this. Kung ikaw, let's say, mapagbigay ka ng energy and the other person is not, then it would definitely create a conflict, no, between you two. Baka medyo nonchalant siya, tapos ikaw, very, very OA. Hindi naman, sorry, I hope you don't get offended. Pero yun kasi yung comparison, 'di ba? Isang nonchalant, isang OA. Pero, ah, OA in the sense na nurturing ka lang, 'no? Very giving ka. Alright. And this might have hurt you, Libra. Kung opposite kayo, no? Nung partner mo or someone you're interested in, it could definitely hurt you. Although Three of Swords is also a card of healing. However, kung yun nga, yung energies ninyo, ikaw yung type ng person na laging nag-organize ng dates, you know, um, ikaw yung thoughtful sa relationship, and then the other person is, um, parang hindi siya ganun ka into the relationship. I hope you get what I'm trying to say, Libra. Parang wini-withdraw niya yung energy niya, then definitely, it will hurt you. Oh. Now, with the Queen of Pentacles, you're very focused, no, on your pentacle, or pwede kasing in the dating scene, this is what I also feel, no. If you're in the dating scene, kung maraming tao ka na mi-meet, nakaka-interact, you could be focusing on this one person. Oh. Kasi she's only holding one pentacle, yung Queen of Pentacles. However, she's very abundant, no? Just like the High Priestess, no? But she's focused, no? And I feel like, since with the Queen of Pentacles, you got Three of Cups, parang merong celebration in the future. Three of Cups is a card of celebration. So, tungkol saan ba tong celebration na to? Let's clarify. With the Three of Cups, you got the Star. It's a wish fulfillment. The Star is a card of wish fulfillment, no? From what I sense, Libra, this person, no, kahit na medyo opposite ang energies ninyo, I feel like they are your wish fulfillment. I feel like you'll be celebrating with this person. No? You'll be having so much fun with this person in the future. I'm not telling you, Libra, to be with someone na feeling mo ay, ano ba, hindi kayo compatible. Kasi definitely, ikaw lang yung makakapagsabi sa sarili mo niyan. But then, you can also find another perspective, no? Or, tingnan natin ng mas malalim. Bakit ba ganun yung tao? And after that, kung hindi natin talaga makita, no, yung reason bakit niya wini-withdraw yung energy niya, or bakit ganun yung treatment sa atin ng isang tao, then by all means, Libra, choose yourself. Pero from this cards right here, no, dun sa present column natin, magaganda siya. It's a card of you have the card of celebration, card of wish fulfillment. Maybe you are focusing on your goal, 'di ba? Let's see. Star, you got the Seven of Swords. Now, Seven of Swords kasi, some readers read this card as card of deception, no? Very sneaky yung energy ng tao dito. However, since it's a golden card, and the golden card are actually meant to be positive. Seven of Swords can also mean a strategy, no? However, Libra, if you think, no, someone is being deceptive, kung nasa-sense ng intuition mo na someone is deceptive, someone is hiding something from you, kaya baka medyo withdrawn yung tao, kung nafe-feel mo na, then maybe it's time to listen to your intuition. Maybe you really like this person, that's why uh, you're only focusing on them, and you think, no, that they are your wish fulfillment, and you feel like uh, when you're with them, mas magiging masaya ka, mas mapupunta ka dun sa energy ng celebration. Now, let's try to find out more. What will be the outcome? Or rather, kasi wala pa tayong masyadong action cards, eh, no? Kung ano yung action na pwede mong i-take. Let's see. What actions do Libras need to take? Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is one of the fastest moving knight in the tarot. Kasi as you can see here, no, from this card, parang medyo in a rush siya, 'di ba? And swords signify thoughts, ideas, no, anything that is mental. And this card can also mean na parang sumusugod ka, na hindi masyadong sumusugod ka sa isang situation na hindi mo masyadong napag-isipan. Oh. And you can, as you can see, no, yung horse dito, parang medyo stressed siya. Oh. Kasi, mabilis nga yung movement nung, or gustong pabilisin nung knight dito sa card na to, yung movement niya. Okay. Another card is the Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. So, Ten of Wands kasi is a card of having a lot of burden. But then, tens are ending. So, you could be putting down this burden, Libra. Just make sure lang, Libra, no, na yung mga burden mo ay sa'yo talaga, and you're not taking any responsibilities of others. Or another way to look at this is the whole situation could have, burdened you. Or parang this has become a burden to you. That's why the card is asking you to put down mo muna yung burden mo. No? Heal from the situation. Another card is the Empress. Alright. You will come out from this situation as someone na very attractive. Kasi ang Empress, as you can see, very attractive siya, diba? And everything comes easy for her, no? Parang i-wave niya lang yung scepter niya, and then pwedeng matupad na yung wish niya, no? Very abundant energy then. And this is also a card of fertility. Now, parang ang nasa-sense ko kasi is that connected siya to the Queen of Pentacles. Parang, just my subjective interpretation, no? Parang, pareho yung energy na nabibigay nila sa reading na to. So, this Queen of Pentacles is perhaps, no, asking you to focus on yourself muna, Libra, so that you can attract the people, no, that are right for you, or the person that is right for you. But that's it, Libra. One last card na lang, no, just to close this reading. So, just focus on yourself, Libra. Kasi ultimately, ma-achieve mo yung Empress energy. Focus on yourself. And, you got the Two of Cups. See, Libra, when we are focusing on ourselves, no? Uh, when we are loving ourselves enough, yung love, yung relationship, no, na hinahanap natin, makikita natin siya, or maa-attract natin siya, no? That's what usually, happens, 'di ba? Kapag, sobrang busy natin, sobrang focus natin sa sarili natin, minsan dun pa dumarating yung mga unexpected, ah, na tao, no? So, Two of Cups is a really good, card. It's a card of partnership, no? Parang it's also a card of, uh, exchanges of energies, of love, of emotions, kasi cups are emotions, 'di ba? So, in the past, you could maybe have been with someone na hindi na provide yung energy na gusto mo, no? Puwedeng, yun nga, medyo withdrawn yung tao, but then you will find, no, the person that you really deserve in the future if you focus on yourself. So, that's basically my interpretation of the cards, Libra. Now, I meditated on this oracle earlier, and then I'll be pulling one card for you, Libra, just to close this reading. And you got the Electric Eel Spirit. Bring your ideas to life. So this has a separate message. Let me read, Libra. So, Electric Eel Spirit, bring your ideas to life. Seemingly out of nowhere, the jolt of Electric Eel Spirit appears to awaken you to a big idea that you are meant to explore. Epiphanies and aha moments are gifted to you right now, so celebrate. Your life has the potential for profound transformation. Inspiration arises in you, electrifying you so that you can't wait to get started bringing your idea to life. The revelations you experience now are meant to set you on a new path, so do not be afraid to act. Explore, examine, and do not fear the changes that may come, for Spirit wants to shower you with the love, success, and abundance that you hope to experience. Now is a thrilling time of epiphanies, inspired ideas, and innovation. This is a wondrous sign for you today. Ideas need to percolate, as they rarely download in detailed form. Have you too quickly dismissed an epiphany because you couldn't see where it might lead you? Have you rushed to follow the muse without taking time to contemplate the meaning of your aha moment? Perhaps your dream will take a different form than you first imagined, morphing into something else that is even better. Spirit's plans are often hard to discern, but so much more satisfying once they have taken over from your own predetermination. Maybe your big idea is taking more time to shape than you expected. Have you considered that you are meant to learn something in the process of bringing you into being? Commit to transformation and to learning any lessons this new venture will bring. And soon you will see that your aha was even more valuable than you realized when you first felt it electrify you. So, this is it. Libra, that is all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this reading resonates with you, please like and leave a comment kasi that would really help uh, my channel, no? Kasi I am just starting. Thank you so much, Libra. See you on the next reading.